Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to buy games from Instant Gaming. A super affordable way to grab your favorite titles for PC, Xbox, PlayStation and more. Let's get into it. First, head over to instant-gaming.com. Using your browser, you land on the homepage where you can see featured deals, top sellers and all the platforms. Um, Next, just type the name of the game you want in the search bar. Let's try FIFA, GTA V, or maybe The Sims. Once you find the right version of your platform, click on it. Make sure you are selecting the correct platform like Steam, Xbox, or PS. Check that the region is compatible with your account. If everything looks good, click buy. Um, Now log into your instant gaming account. If you don't have one, you can quickly sign up using Gmail or Google. It only takes a minute. Choose your payment method. Instant gaming supports PayPal, credit. Select your preferred method and complete the payment. Right after payment, you will be taken to a screen with your digital game key usually delivered instantly. Copy the key and you are ready to activate it on your platform. For Steam users, just open Steam, click Add a Game, activate a product on Steam, and paste your code. For consoles, redeem the code via the PlayStation or Xbox Store. And that's it. You have just bought a game on Instant Gaming and saved some serious cash. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which game you are playing next.